Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to use VLOOKUP across two different Google worksheets. Before we get into that, I want to show you some sample I have here. One is student data, where I have student ID, name, and the marks in a couple of subjects. And in second sheet, I've got their grades for each student ID. Okay. Before understanding VLOOKUP, I also want to draw your attention towards a very important concept, that is import range, because we have to use it in order to pull the data from different sheet to this one. So how to use it? You simply have to put a equals to formula and type import range. It accepts two arguments. One is spreadsheet URL, that is from which sheet you want to import the data over here. To get that, go to the URL and the ID you see after D, just copy and paste. This is basically your Google Sheets unique ID. All right. After this, you have to specify the range which you want to pull here. Okay. For this example, I'm just going to give one cell for now. Let's say I want to pull B2 here. Close a bracket and submit. If it says something like this, it means you don't have access to access the other sheet. Just allow access, and now if you notice, you're able to pull the data from that sheet. Once this is done, now let's use the actual VLOOKUP formula. Okay, I'm going to put grades here, and now let's pull the data using VLOOKUP from that sheet to this sheet. To do so, simply put the VLOOKUP formula we know. VLOOKUP, I want to search the student ID, but I want to search in the different sheet. And how to pull the data from different sheet? Using import range. So let's put import range formula. Import range. Let's paste the spreadsheet URL ID which we copied earlier. Now let's give the range. Okay. In my previous example, I directly had given B2. However, you may have multiple sheets to work with. Okay. In that scenario, provide the actual sheet where your data resides. In my case, it resides in source sheet. Source sheet, right? So I'm going to give source sheet here. It resides in source. I want to pull everything we have in B column. Okay. And close the brackets. Then I'm just sorry, this will be A to B. I want the second column's data. It's not sorted, and done. Okay, just drag it so that it's applied to all the other fields. Okay, simple. This is how you can pull the data from different sheet to this sheet and do VLOOKUPs and merge the two sheets data. All right, thank you.